In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form in Squarespace. A pop-up form is a quick, focused way to capture attention on your site. Great for growing a newsletter list or pointing visitors to a specific page. I'll walk you through turning it on, choosing what it does, writing the content, and setting when it appears, all inside the Squarespace editor. Start in your Squarespace dashboard and open your website settings, then head into Pages. From there, look for your marketing options and open the marketing tools area. You'll see an item called promotional pop-up. Open that to manage everything related to your site-wide pop-up. First, enable it by turning on display pop-up. This switch controls whether the pop-up is active on your live site, so it's a good place to confirm you're ready for visitors to see it. Next, open the action section. Here, you'll choose the goal for your pop-up. You can set it to collect signups for a newsletter, which adds a form right inside the pop-up, or set it to have visitors click a button, which is perfect for promoting a sale or a featured page. Pick the option that matches your immediate objective. If your priority is audience growth, choose newsletter signup. If you're driving traffic to a key page, choose the button and link it to that destination. When you've selected the goal, go back to the main pop-up settings. Now open the content section. Edit your headline and body copy so they clearly state the value of taking action. Keep the headline short and direct, like a benefit-driven statement. In the body, add a simple explanation of what people get and keep the tone friendly and concise. If you're using the sign-up goal, a brief note that you won't spam and that they can unsubscribe at any time can help build trust. When your text looks good, click. Save to apply your changes, then return to the main pop-up panel. Finally, open display and timing. This is where you control when the pop-up appears for visitors. Choose a timing option that balances visibility with a good user experience. A short delay gives people a moment to see your page before the pop-up appears. If you prefer to show it after some engagement, use a longer delay so it feels less intrusive. Adjust the timing to fit your site's pace and content length. That's it. You enabled your promotional pop-up, chose the action, wrote clear content, saved it, and set the timing. Preview your site to make sure everything looks on brand and the timing feels natural. Then you're ready to go live.